Hello, namaste. How are you all? I am fine. Hope the same from your side. Today we will see nowadays why rich become richer and poor are becoming poor day by day. Why it happens in life? As I told you, life is just like a problem in maths. We can solve it. So here we are having 5 secrets of life, how to become rich day by day, how to improve ourselves. What is the mindset that makes some people rich, whereas some, you are knowing, the things are not moving as they wish. If we want the things to move as we wish, what we should do? Okay, let us discuss today. First of all, start the day with gratitude. It should go regularly. You are knowing, you may tell me, what to be grateful? See, we can be grateful. There are lakhs and lakhs of people who want to live like you. That is why find out the things which you are having. You might be having good parents, good children, beautiful house, beautiful partner, whatever. Daily be grateful to 5 things which you are happy at. Do it regularly. That is the first thing. Next is visualization. Visualization is very, very important. This is what I want for my life. It should be crystal clear. Don't tell, I want a good job, I want a lot of money. Lot of money means how much money you want. So it should be crystal clear in your mind. Suppose if you go to the railway station and ask for the railway ticket, give me a ticket. The person will ask where you want to go, what is your destination. He will ask you the destination. If you tell, I don't know, give me any, whether he will give you? He will tell, okay, go ahead, I don't have any ticket for you. There is no place where anywhere. So, you should have your destination, your aim, your goal crystal clear. I want to become a doctor. Whatever it is. I want to help people. In which way? Being a doctor, by treating the poor people, whatever it is, let it be crystal clear. I want this. Next, only if you are having the aim or goal, is it enough? Only if you visualize daily, is it enough? No, you have to take action. You can't become a good lawyer unless and until you go to the law college and study. You can't be a good doctor unless and until you get medical education. So, whatever you want, you have to take action. And mind you, our body should align with mind and soul. In the mind you are having the visualization and action you should have, and soul means inner voice or subconscious mind. It should listen it should follow it. So all should become in a line, in a frequency, then only it happens. So only visualization is not enough. You should work according to that. You should take action according to that. You should work hard for that. Otherwise, if I just bring a big photo of a big hospital and with the doctor's uniform and everything. Can I become doctor? No. I should take admission for the medical college. I should complete my education. Then only I can become a doctor. So action is equally important with the visualization. So take action. Work very hard. Then use positive affirmation. Always have positive affirmation like I am happy, I am rich, I am wealthy. And mind you, these positive affirmations should be always in the present tense. So have the positive affirmation as you want. Have this all the time, every time. It will keep you content, it will keep you happy. And be consistent in your work. Be disciplined. Be disciplined in the sense, it doesn't mean that today you are doing it and after 10 days you will be doing something else. No. Be disciplined and be content. And have self-belief. That is very, very important. Let others believe in you or not. Don't be bothered. You have to believe in yourself. It is only when you believe in yourself you can achieve whatever you want. Otherwise, no. Don't think what others talk about you. There are so many people who will talk so many things, unwanted things. Don't pay attention. Believe in yourself. I want to become this and I will be this. And be active all the time. Don't be lazy. Don't keep on telling, okay, I will do it from Monday onwards, from next month, from New Year. No. Always be active and start living in the present, because there is no past, no future. Only present is the actual thing. Present. In action we are having only present. In thoughts you can have yesterday and tomorrow, but action only present. Can you do something yesterday? No, over. What you do today, that is the action, present. So always start living in the present. Don't think about the past. Don't keep on blaming others. Don't think about your own mistakes. No. Forgive everyone. Forgive yourself. Forgive others. And start living in the present. Be busy. Keep on working whatever you want. Then only you can increase your productivity. So living in the present is also one of the important keys of success. So what you have to do is, first of all, you should have a goal and you should start the day with the gratitude. Always be grateful. Visualization, and then you should have action plan, because without action only visualization will not work. It will be only a dream, because it should work in align with the mind and the soul. Soul means inner voice or belief, or you can even call it subconscious mind. Then after the action, you should use always positive affirmations and be consistent, be disciplined. It is not enough if you work today and live 8 days and then 9 days you start. No. Be consistent. persistency is very, very important. And don't bother about others. Believe in yourself. We be busy, live in the present. See, you will be successful. Have a nice day.